been in many juries, and I'm always hoping for a film that really touches me, you know. And so I cried twice, so that's a good score, I think. But also, it's not only emotion. I mean, there's so many things that can be said about films, so that can move you in different ways than emotionally, but intellectually or aesthetically, you know. But for me, film is really about all art is about communication. And I think sometimes short filmmakers don't do enough effort to communicate with the audience. And in general, should do more effort to spend more time on the story, check it with others, with script editors, etc. That's my main criticism of animation in general.
Rise and Shine je naš program kroz koji se razvijaju prvi i drugi profesionalni projekti mladih autora. Uvijek nam je bilo jasno da koliko god fantastični vizualno filmovi bili koji prikazujemo u našim programima, nekada im malo šteka priča, scenarij. I ti ljudi će zapravo proći kroz seriju intenzivnih konzultacija sa svojim mentorima, radit će kroz 6 mjeseci na svojim projektima i ponovno se okupiti u Ljubljani u 12. mjesecu na festivalu Animateka, onda ćemo vidjeti šta su napravili. Prošle godine je projekt bio toliko uspješan da su polaznici bili pozvani i u Clermont-Ferrand na najveći festival kratkometražnog filma i tamo su zapravo imali priliku pičati svoje projekte, predstaviti svoje projekte širokoj međunarodnoj publici i tad smo skužili da je nešto što je nama fantastično i očito našim polaznicima lijepo i korisno, da je zanimljivo i široj publici stvarno na najvišoj mogućoj razini u svijetu kratkog filma.
I'm on the jury of short films, the main competition, so I'm very happy to be here. Yeah, I already saw a lot of interesting short films, a lot of experimental short films, so they're very expressive. And I don't know, I'm very impressed about the art and in this selection. So I don't know, I get inspiration for and for my students. So I want to show them a lot of short films that I already watched.
Yeah, this is my third time in Zagreb, and it's like, again, it's always a pleasure to be here. It's a very beautiful city with amazing and lovely people and lovely vibes. I believe this will consider to be, for me, the best in Europe. As I tell you, people are really nice and kind, generous, and they are smiling, and this is something I really appreciate when you see people are celebrating life every day. Even we have the same challenges in this nowadays life, but they are enjoying it, and this is something I really appreciate about Croatian and Croatia and Zagreb especially. It's very beautiful.
First of all, it's a huge pleasure to see the full competition of Zagreb, because it really gives you an impression about the nature and the programming profile of the festival. And I have to say it's definitely my type of festivals, because I've noticed that there's lots of unexpected and unobvious choices. So in many festivals there are a group of the same films which travel from one festival to another, and you get sometimes the impression that this is just like one big animation festival. And I have to say, in Zagreb, I would say that the programmers clearly put lots of attention to find bold and fresh films, which sometimes technical-wise, sometimes story-wise, sometimes theme-wise, standing out from the crowd and really telling something new about the world and humans.
That's what I like about animation most, is the people who make it. Because I'm also with one foot in the film world, with one foot in the commercial world, one foot in the comic world. And for instance, in the commercial world or the film world, you can bluff yourself into being a director, especially in Hollywood. But as an animator, you're as good as what you make. There's no way you can bluff. So these people are all very, very sincere. during watching films, and there's so many nice people here. It's a very relaxed atmosphere, I would say, and a lot of filmmakers also. Incredibly a lot, like half of the filmmakers are here.
I'm very surprised by the city. I don't know. I like the weather. Yes, it's very changing weather this year, but I like that kind of things.
Svi naši gosti će sa nama sada plesati i pjevati. To je onaj dio kojem se svi najviše veselimo kad odvozimo ovako dobar festival. Mislili smo da je prošla godina ona koja je najveća, na kraju ispostavilo se da iza te velike dolazi isto jedna velika. Tako da mislim da smo dobro krenuli u revijalnom tonu, idemo dalje.